Let me change the workspace because we are studying 3D modeling. Okay, so today we are going to learn blocks. Alright, here we have blocks. We'll see what are blocks actually and how we can create blocks in AutoCAD. Here we have blocks panel, next panel we are going to study. Alright, what are blocks? Blocks are reusable content. Blocks are reusable content. If you want to use things again and again, what you will do? You will just create a block and you will save in your profile. Like an example in architect, the one door you have designed. Now you want to use that door same on many places. No need to draw again and again. Just create a block. Same in your drawing. If you have any gasket sample, you can draw one time. You can save it as a block and you can use again and again. Alright. We'll see how we can create a block. For example, just I will create a shape. You can create any shape like I have circle. Another one, you will design like whole shape, whatever you have. Alright. So for example, let's suppose I have this shape. Alright. So I want to save as a block like this. Alright. So I just created one sample shape. Alright. So I want to use it again and again. So what I will do, I will save as a block. So just go to blocks are reusable content. So here you will click on create block. Alright. When you click on create option, you will take this dialog box which is called block definition. Alright. The shortcut key for block creation is B. Alright. You press B only. Alright. B for ball. So press B from the keyboard, then you will get block definition, or it's a block creation dialog box. First of all, you have to give here the name. For example, whatever name you have, I will give shape number 1. And from here, pick point. From where you want to pick this shape, I will pick from the center point from here. Then select objects. So you have to select the whole object which you want to convert into block, then again enter. So now it will show you whatever you have selected. So this shape is going to be converted in block. So here we have 3 options. Retain, we have convert to block, and delete. These 3 options is related to this shape. Retain means do not do anything with this shape, keep it as such. Okay, it will not change anything to this shape. Okay, for example, I will click here. So block has been created, but this shape is same as such. Okay, nothing happened to this shape. If you want to check block has been created or not, just go to insert and just check here. Yes, block has been created. Click here and place. Now you see when you click here, it's a block. It's grouped and it will show you only one pick point, but it's a shape. Alright. So I will do one changes, for example. Now I will show you other option. So again I will press B, for example. Then here you will give name shape 2. Then pick point. From here you will pick point is here. Then we'll choose select object and select object and enter. Now this shape has been. You can select also convert to block. Then this shape will be converted into block 2. If you want to delete this, you can delete also. This shape will be deleted and you will be creating new block and it will be saved in block dialog box. Alright. Here you can write description about about this shape, what is diameter. This is for your reference. Alright. And from here check this one, scale uniformly. You can also check this one. When you will scale according to the factor 1%, 2%, 3%, it will scale uniformly. You can do this one also and allow exploding also. Check this one. You can explode the block. For example, now it's deleted because I have selected the delete option from there. Now how to insert? The shortcut key for insert is I. Press I from the keyboard. Alright. Then it will show you insert dialog box. From insert dialog box, alright, you will see from here all the blocks name. Alright. So you can select blocks name like this. So it will show you the display. For example, I want to insert this. Okay. So if you want to insert this one, just click on OK. Then that shape will be inserted like this. Alright. Okay. Next, if you want to explode, because it's a block, alright, you cannot do trim and other operation. You have explode. X and enter. Now it's exploded and you can treat it as a shape. Alright? Yeah, explode. You can explode block also. So here we have creation and inserting block. We can also insert block from the library of AutoCAD. We have many blocks, electrical, civil, mechanical, alright, and you can download from internet. A lot of websites are there. You can download blocks, pre-made blocks as well. So how we can insert block? The shortcut key, we can insert from Design Center. The shortcut key for Design Center is DC, alright, DC, yes, Design Center, alright. Design Center. So how you will reach till Design Center, because I have already clicked here, alright. So this is the path to reach Design Center, alright. You can write from here, alright, this one. So you will go C drive, program files, AutoCAD, AutoCAD folder and sample end user, then you will be in Design Center. That's how you will reach to the Design Center, because you will not see this path in your computer. So you will go to C drive, okay, like this, note this path, okay, note this path, this one. So like this, so you will go to like from here C drive, right. So here, yeah, here you have C drive, look, here is the path, okay, right, this one, C, then program files, then Autodesk folder, then AutoCAD 16, then sample folder, then end user, Design Center. That's how you will reach, because one time you have to configure like this. So you can note it down this path. If you can't remember, just note it down. So C drive, program files, Autodesk, then AutoCAD 16 folder, whatever version you have, sample folder, then end user, then Design Center. Now you are in Design Center, alright. Now here we have a lot of categories according to the requirement. So we have like home, if you want to work for home spaces, we have house designer, HVAC and heating, hydraulic, kitchen. So for example, I will home space, I'll go and here I'll go to blocks. So it will show me all blocks for the home. For example, I want desk chair, just click and drag. So that will be inserted like this. You can also insert dining table like this. You can insert dining table and it's a block. Alright, I'll go back and from here you can go also to HVAC and we have here electrical power. Then go to blocks. So here you have a lot of electrical power sign. So you can take from here like motor sign like this. Alright, it's very small. You have like this. Alright, so you have this. You have this one as well. So these all are blocks you can use in your design. Alright, so after, yeah, available. Okay, so you can close. So whatever blocks you have inserted in your document, it will be automatically included here. So all blocks are here.
And we can delete anytime. Inserted ones.
Yeah, no need, right? So we have more option. You can search from here, okay, whatever blocks you have, okay. So no need to delete from here, alright. But it will, whatever blocks. If you want to delete, you have to delete from the drawing bar, then you can. Otherwise, no need, okay. Okay, if you have created this block, for example, this is, if you want to add it and you have used this block a lot, I will copy, for example, here and here. I have copied this one and this one. Now, what I want to do, I want to, for example, edit it. If you want to edit this block, so you will click here, edit block. Go to edit block, then here we have shape 1. Yes, I want to edit. So it will open in block editor. Alright. Now if you will change, for example, I want to delete this circle or you want to make another circle, like this, or whatever changes you want to do, you can do. Okay. After changing, then just close block editor. It will ask you, do you want to save changes? Yes, save it. Look, wherever you have used block, everywhere will be changed. So that's the main advantage of using this one. So you have used one shape in one place, so you can change it, then everywhere you have used it will change. Alright. So that's block editor. So block creation, block insertion and block editing. One thing more, these blocks are limited only to this drawing file. all right. For example, I will create new drawing, and now here if you will check, no, we don't have any block. So these blocks will be limited to this. So how we can make a universal block? For example, how we can write a block so that we can share with our friends, all right, or we can like use in any file. Then we have to write a block. We have to save as a file of AutoCAD, all right. The shortcut key for write a block is W.
Right block.
Yeah, write block. Okay, WRIT, write. So the shortcut key is W for write a block. Before we created block, shortcut key was B. Now the shortcut key is W for write a block, only W.
You can save these blocks as AutoCAD.
Yes, you can save as AutoCAD file. You can share in with friends, with clients. You can make your own library. Okay, so here, so write a block, no need to change anything. You will go pick point. So you will pick. So you will pick point, for example, this one. All right, then the select object, you will select object like this, enter. All right, then here where you are saving. So just change is saving inside drive documents and is my shape to block. And just okay. Now it's saved here, right? That's okay. Now it's saved. I'll go to new drawing. Then go to insert block. All right. It will show nothing here. No problem. Browse. Then where you save and just check that one shape. Open and okay. Look. Right. So you can make your own library. So whenever you are creating the very difficult shape and you know that I will be using in future, so just save a file. You can create one block, you can share with your friends, all right, with your clients, like use this block and it will be your library and time saving. All right, do it.